Hi, I'm Hayley Boud, and I'm going to answer the question, do lawyers have to be annoying? And the answer to that is yes. No, we're not trying to be annoying on purpose. But I can understand that sometimes it feels that way. It does feel like we're annoying sometimes, and I do get that. So today I'm going to explain why sometimes we come across as annoying and why we have to be sometimes annoying. So the reason for that is because you will come to me and you'll say, Hayley, I know what I want with me and my partner. We've already decided this is their assets, these are my assets, and we've already decided that if anything happens to our relationship, we want them divided in this way. They will keep theirs and I will keep mine. And makes sense, totally. And that's completely fine. Obviously, you've already decided. But under the Property Relationships Act, I still need to do something. I still need to be able to certify that when you've come to me for advice, before you've signed the agreement, the prenup, I need to be able to certify that I have given you full advice. And that means that I have to give you, I have to explain to you the effects and the implications of the prenup. And I also have to explain to you how far it deviates from the Property Relationships Act, if any. And I especially have to do that if you've already been in a relationship for 3 years, and even more if you've got children together. So it's really important then for me to be able to advise you to get all the information. And this is where I become annoying. And I know it feels annoying for you guys. When I say, I need your KiwiSaver statements, I need your trust account statements, or trust statements if you have a trust. I need your company financial statements. I need your shares valued. I need the estimations of your cars. I need all of the information, all the money that's in your bank accounts, the value of your house, the mortgage. I need everything. And you say to me, but Hayley, we've already decided we're going to divide it like this. And we actually don't need you to look at all of our statements. But I do need to, because there have been cases where the lawyer hasn't gathered all that information in, and then the prenup has later been found void. And that's because, and let me read you from the Act itself, it says, in section 21F, it says this: agreement void unless it complies with certain requirements. And one of those requirements is that the lawyer who witnesses the signature of a party must certify that before the party signed it, the lawyer explained to that party the effects and implications of the agreement. And I can't explain that to you unless I have all the information. How can I? It's not possible. So, and I'll just let you know now that I've got my notes, that in a case called where the client, well, the people in the case, their names were Coxhead and Coxhead. I know. It's a funny name. But Coxhead and Coxhead, they, the lawyer who witnessed the signature didn't do a very good job. And in that case it said, and that the party concerned, so the person who gets the advice, is entitled to an informed professional opinion as to the wisdom of entering into an agreement. So I have to be able to tell you, I actually don't recommend you sign this prenup, or I can say to you, yeah, it's fine, you can sign this because it's fine. Or I can say to you, look, you are giving up this, but if you're happy to do that, I'm happy. But I cannot do that unless I have all the information in front of me. And there have been other cases too. Like I've got a whole list here of cases where the prenup has been found void. for not getting in the full disclosure, for not getting in all the information. And it's, as I said before, it's particularly important when you're already in a relationship for more than 3 years. Yeah, so there's been plenty of them. There's Hanks and Hanks, another funny name, and sorry, someone just thought they'd come in and interrupt my video. How dare they? Anyway, I already told them not to come in. All right, so yeah, so I really do have to be annoying, and I'm sorry for that. I know you don't want lawyers to annoy your life and make it seem like it's more complicated than what it should be, but that's the reason why. So bear with me when you come to me and you say, I already know what I want, and I say, yeah, I know, but I still need all the information, because I want you to know that the prenup is binding. I don't want you later on to have this prenup overturned because you or your partner didn't get proper advice. That would just be the worst, because you'd be like, you know, I thought this was certain and now it's not certain, and now I have to go to court where I shouldn't have had to. So and all for the sake of just giving me your KiwiSaver balance. So awesome. So thanks for listening, and short answer is yes, I do have to be annoying, but it's for your good, and as any decent person would do, I'm here to look after you and to make sure that your needs are met. So yeah, I'm going to be annoying to make sure that happens.